How to upload your project or your design on Behance. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily upload your projects or designs on the Behance app. But before we get started, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. So first thing first, you're going to open up your web browser and search for Behance and then hit enter. You're just going to open up the first link that you see, behance.net, and then make sure to log into your account. So if you are a creative or a freelancer, just click on the first option and you should be able to log into your account. Then you will have to select at least one category. So I'm just gonna choose the graphic design option, hit enter, and now if you want to share your work or upload your project, then what you can do is you'll see this share your work tab here. You can upload your project, you can showcase your services, or you can also see your work in progress. So just click on this project tab right here and you'll be taken to this page. All you have to do now is just upload your project here. It could be your images, text, photo grid, audio, video, embedded video, or you can also use Lightroom to import your stuff here. You can also create a prototype or a 3D model. So this is how you upload your project or your design on the Behance app. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.